Hello friends, I am Dr. Sumit Gupta, consultant dermatologist at Skinovation Clinics, New Delhi. We receive a lot of patients seeking to reverse the signs of aging on their face. Today, with the kind of technology and the kind of treatment advances we have, we can effectively reverse a lot of signs of facial skin aging. Today we are going to talk about facial skin aging. Facial skin aging can be of two components. The first is surface skin aging. Surface skin aging is characterized by abnormal skin texture, fine lines, age spots, and pigmentary problems. Pigmentary problems per se are the most common kind of surface skin aging we encounter in the Indian skin. The surface skin changes can be effectively treated by a plethora of treatment modalities which we have today, including topical creams, resurfacing options like chemoexfoliation or chemical peeling, mesotherapy, platelet-rich plasma injections, and most potent fractional resurfacing by lasers or radiofrequency. By using a combination of these, depending on the kind of condition the person is suffering from, we can effectively reverse the signs of surface skin aging. To prevent this kind of surface skin aging from happening, we need to maintain a healthy, balanced diet. We also need to avoid excessive sun exposure by using a good quality sunscreen, and we can use retinol based anti-aging topical preparations which can help us from preventing a lot of these surface skin aging. The second type of facial skin aging is the structural skin aging. It is characterized by one or a combination of the following changes which skin and the underlying tissues undergo, which are sagging. Sagging is characterized by, due to the effects of gravity, sagging of the facial skin, leading to jowls and this haggard appearance of the face. The second change is sinking. Sinking is the loss of facial tissue and deflation of the face, which leads to a very thinned out appearance. The third kind of change is wrinkling. Wrinkling is primarily due to excessive overuse of muscles, facial muscles, which leads to permanence of certain lines like worry lines or frown lines or crow's feet. So all these lines are very common in aging, and we can effectively treat all these three changes. First of all, for sagging and sinking, for sagging and loss of tissue, we can effectively use hyaluronic acid based filler injections to replace the kind of volume and to lift up the face. We can also use thread lifts, suspension thread lifts, particularly for sagging, to lift up the sagged out tissue. For wrinkling, we can effectively use botulinum injections to relax the muscles so that they are not overused and the permanence of lines can be prevented. For people who are afraid of getting injections on their face, there are very effective non-invasive treatment options present today, namely radiofrequency tightening, which can be done by a very good device known as EndyMed 3D radiofrequency tightening, or ultrasound based tightening, which is known as HIFU or high intensity focused ultrasound, which can be achieved by devices such as ultraformer or Ultherapy. By using a combination of these devices, we can effectively tighten the skin, tighten the soft tissues underneath, and give you a very young, rejuvenated and a natural look. Thank you.